there's not enough or no ventilation from day zero. It's a really, really big mistake, because that minimum ventilation at day zero is not actually cooling your birds. All it's doing is providing enough fresh air for the birds. Hi, I'm Michael Longley. I've got about 30 years of experience in the poultry industry, working globally. And at the moment, I'm the managing consultant and partner at Food Chain Enterprises Consultancy and Training. We've got projects basically across the whole poultry supply chain. Broiler management is essentially the money-making side part of the industry, so it's essential to apply the learning on this course to improve results, and so obviously your revenue. It also helps us to improve sustainability of our production bases and food production in general. And the cost of utilities is ever increasing, things like electricity, gas and water. Feed cost is high, so correct ventilation management is an essential area to concentrate on to improve performance. The fact that there's not enough or no ventilation from day zero. It's a really, really big mistake, because that minimum ventilation at day zero is not actually cooling your birds. All it's doing is providing enough fresh air for the birds. Not listening and seeing what the birds are doing is another mistake. Many managers are not proactive with what they do. They wait for something to happen and then they change the bird's environment, by which time it's too late. There are three very, very simple ones under slightly different headers. So we need to listen to the sound of the bird, whether it's quiet in the house or loud. It tells you how the chicks are feeling. If it's quiet, generally birds are very, very hot, and they can't get up and make that sound. Or if it's loud, they might be cold. Distribution: are the birds huddling, moving to cold areas because it's too hot, or is there a complete lack of movement because it isn't too hot in the house? And also we've got physical appearance, so if the birds have got their wings puffed out, or if there's an excessive number panting, then we know we're doing something wrong in the house. Yeah, don't turn your ventilation off when it rains. Simple. You turn your ventilation off when it rains. What that means is that you're stopping the oxygen coming into the house. You're also causing an increase in carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide in the house. You're making the environment very damp. If you're ventilating correctly, even when it's raining, the air has a chance to warm up and dry out before it gets right down to the birds and ventilates them. Yeah, my own farms actually improved their performance after implementation, proven it, and that is on a basis of food conversion ratio, live weight gain, and also mortality. The things that they implemented really, really helped. Well, anyone interested in improving on-farm company performance and to create more revenue, and it's pretty simple. So that really covers farm managers and assistants, technical managers, production managers, company owners, and people who train other people within their company, because I like to say I have a passion for training. I believe this is about training the trainer when you come onto these courses. If you have a passion for poultry farming and want to improve your current understanding and performance levels, meet other like-minded people and learn from experts in the field and other people's experiences, you should join the course.